Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to unlock your Betway account. Before getting started, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser. Then, on the search bar, type in Betway.com. Once you type it in, you'll get to this page. On this page, you'll have to log into your account. So, click on this button where it says Login. Then, it will ask you to enter your login credentials in these boxes. So, enter it, then click on this Login button. In case you have forgotten your password, click on this link where it says Forgot Password to reset it. Once you have filled up your information, click on this Login button. Then, you'll be logged into your account. Now, once you're on the home page, click on this button where it says Support, then click on Help. Now, another page will open up. On this section where it says My Account, you will see this option I forgot my login details, and now my account is locked. Click on this link. Then, another page will open up. Now, what you'll have to do is click on this link where it says Live Chat. Then, on the right-hand side, this menu will open up. On this menu, you'll have to enter your name. So, go ahead and enter your name, then click on Submit. Now, they will provide you with a live chat assistant. Scroll a bit down and select this option where it says Login Problem. Now, click on the third option that says Forgot Login Details, Account is Locked. Then, they will give you instructions on how you can unlock your account. Follow these instructions and do as they say, and your account will be unlocked. So, this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. I'll catch you on the next one.